Hello and welcome to the Cmput 301 Project Part 4 demonstration. We are Team 11 and today we will demonstrate our Android application. Let's go ahead and open our application from the emulator. Once the application launches, we are brought to the main page of our application. The main page shows all the local stories that we have in our phone. These include the stories that we have created and the ones that we have downloaded from the internet. We can see that there are a few options available here. We can add a story, we can view online library, or we can edit our local stories. Let's go ahead and view the online library. We are now presented with all the stories that have been published online by other users. We can browse through them, we can search through them, and we can select individual stories. Once we have a story that we want to view, we have two options. We can either view the story directly by clicking on the story, or we can hold click it and download the story, and that will bring it to our local library. Now let's view the story. We're brought to this main page that shows the title of the story, the thumbnail, some description, and the author. Let's begin the story. So here you can see we are brought to a page of the story in which there are illustrations that go with the story, there's some description, and then there's some options that you can select. Let's select Start a Fire option. Choosing an option leads us to the next part of the story. Another thing you can do while viewing a story is to add an annotation. So let's add an annotation to this page. To add an annotation, simply fill out the author name, fill out the comment that you want to say, and attach a photo that you want. To add a photo, you can choose from webcam, or you can choose it from your phone. You also have the option to resize the photo. Let's make it a little smaller. Just hit the submit button. And here we can see our annotation is added to the annotations of this page. Let's hit return to page. And now we can see that the annotations for this page is increased by 1. Now let's say you wanted to edit the story. First of all, let's change the author. And let's change the title to, let's say, Revision. And let's save it. Now let's edit the pages of the story. Just hold click and select Edit Pages. Now we are brought to this tree view structure of the story. Here you see is a list of pages. As you click on a page, you can see all the child pages that are linked to this current page. So we can see that Start page links to Scout Around and the Fire page. The Scout Around page links to the Open Chest and Leave It Alone page. And these are all just the page titles. So let's say you wanted to delete the Fire page. Once that Fire page has been deleted, you will see that the child of the Start page is no longer the Fire page. Now let's add a new page to the story. Here you can see the new page has been added, so you just click on it and just edit the page. So first we give it the page title. Now edit the page description and add images to this. Let's add another one. Let's save the page. Now let's connect this page to the Start page. So to connect the pages, simply select the page that you want this page to connect it to, edit that page, and add a decision. Edit this option description, and this is the option description that the user will see. And select the Go To page. This is a new page that we made. We want this option to lead to this new page. And then you save the option. Now you save the page. Then you return to your local library. So now when you view the page, now you can see we have the new option that says search for some food, you'll get hungry otherwise, and then you can click on it. And then now you can see this is the new page that's been added. It has the pictures that we wanted, If we want, we can continue this story. But this seems good for now. Let's return to the main menu, and let's publish our edited story back online. Now we get a notification that it has been published, so press the online library button. And here you can see I have the Treasure Island revision and the author is Jim, and then the original Treasure Island is still saved so that you don't overwrite someone else's work.